Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Sully. We are on board the latest Southport 30 to wrap up here in our shop. This one is getting ready actually to hit the road. It's going to go down to, I don't know, New Jersey, Baltimore, somewhere, get loaded up on a ship and head to Bermuda. But before it does, I wanted to show you guys a quick little walk around of everything we've done on this boat. This boat was really cool because it got the full JL treatment. So let's take a quick peek and see what we've got going on. If we look up front here in the bulkhead area there, you can see we have a pair of the M6 8-inch speakers. As we make our way back, you look in the magazine rack area, used to be in the back of the seating area there, we've got another pair of M6 8/8s. Then as we walk back on the forward side of the pillar here, you'll see another pair of M6 8/8s. And then, not to be outdone, back side of the pillar here, we've got another pair of, there it is, M6 8/8s. Unfortunately, in the hardtop up here, we don't have the depth, so M3 6s. Now, to power all of this, you're going to do M6s, you got to have good, clean power for those speakers. We've got some very hard to find MVi amps. So Shannon did an awesome job. Let's take a peek in here. You can see we kind of got these all wired up. Everything's looking really nice in there. While we're speaking of the wiring and the rigging on this boat, let's take a quick peek under the helm over here. You can kind of see all of the rigging and everything all cleaned up. Everything nicely labeled, so everything is serviceable and can be worked on later down the road easily. Like I said, this boat is heading down to Bermuda, so we want to make sure we set them up for success. What else we got going on in this boat? We have a pair of the Garmin 8616s that are nicely flushed in with a glass dash. This boat also has Southport's new lower dash with the new switches, the flushed in Fusion Apollo stereo, and the Yamaha engine display. That's the new display. That's all flushed in, looks super nice in there as well. So we've got a very clean and simple dash layout on this build. So that's it. That's really all that's going on this boat. It sounds great, and looking forward to this boat hitting the water here soon and having another satisfied and happy customer. So I'm gonna test the stereo a little more and we'll go from there, guys.